What's the meaning of anxiety? Anxiety. 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 Anxiety.
Anxiety is an emotional state characterized by feelings of tension, worry, and unease. It is often accompanied by physical symptoms such as restlessness, sweating, or rapid heartbeat. Anxiety can interfere with daily activities and cause significant distress. Chronic anxiety can lead to more serious mental health conditions such as panic disorder or generalized anxiety disorder. It is important to seek treatment if anxiety becomes unmanageable, as there are effective therapies and medications available to help alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life.